Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asmat Wafeeq bin Abdul Wakil. I am final year student studying Technology Electronics at Kolej Vokasional Melaka Tengah. In this video, I will be presenting about my industrial training experience at Visinergy Sdn Bhd. Visinergy Sdn Bhd is one of 3 subsidiary of parent company Virtual Instrument and System Innovation Sdn Bhd. The company focus on customized system and create product that meet of its customers. Before I start with my explanation, I will break down this video into 3 main topics, which are: first, my main task as an intern; second, working experience; and third, conclusion. Without further ado, I will start with my first main topic, which is my main task as an intern at Visinergy Sdn Bhd. When I was an intern at this company, I was given the position of assistant engineer, and I'm more exposed handling things such as hardware and mechanical design. My main task is to design mechanical hardware using SolidWorks software. SolidWorks is used to develop mechatronic system from beginning to end. At the initial stage of the software is used to planning, visualization, modeling, feasibility assessment, prototyping, and project management. The software is then used for design and building of mechanical, electrical, and software elements. The software can be used for management, including device management, analytic, data automation, and cloud services. The SolidWorks software solutions are used by mechanical, electrical, and electronics engineers to form a connected design. This suite of program is aimed at keep all engineers in communication and able to respond to design needs or change. The picture of that displayed during the explanation is an example of the product that I have designed. Now, I'm going to start explain on my second main topic, which is working experience. I definitely have learned many new things and knowledge, but on this video, I only explain 2 projects or tasks that I've been involved. The first task that was given from supervisor to the intern was to create a traffic light control system using LabVIEW software. LabVIEW is a system engineering software for applications that require test, measurement, and control with rapid access to hardware and data insights. In LabVIEW, we can program in a language known as G, which means graphical programming language. And what I mean by graphical is you have a number of images that represent different functions in your program. When I joined this company, it was the first time I heard about LabVIEW software. I was struggling to understand the basic of using this software, but with the help of trained engineers here and video tutorial that they have provided on this channel, they make it easier for me to understand on functioning this software. The second task is I was given the opportunity to get involved and follow my supervisor and other engineers working on the project at iMedical factory in Kelantan. Before we left for Kelantan, I was assigned to create block diagram and design the control panel according to customers' function and requests. After the design is complete and approved, we have obtained the date and permission to perform the task, which is to upgrade the machine there. One benefit that I learned through this task is that I can increase my knowledge about programming and designing mechanical hardware. Second benefit is that I will get to increase my job opportunity in the future. This is because more job opportunities are looking for individuals that have discrete skills. As a conclusion, the internship program provided by this company is the best opportunity for me to improve myself. I am very grateful for having this one in lifetime opportunity. That's all from my industrial training experience. Before I end this video, I would like to say thank you to my supervisor and all engineers and staff at VC Sdn Bhd for having me as an intern in your company.